Annual report prepared by the Legal Forum for Kashmir depicts the situation of human rights in the occupied Kashmir. 2022 witnessed the bloodshed of Kashmiris. India intensified its military density in Kashmir, deploying and mobilizing aggressively 9 lakh forces. In addition to this, India has engaged more than 1,30,000 police personnel in anti-resistance operations and created agencies like SIA and SIU. The year witnessed the killings of 181 freedom activists, besides the extrajudicial killing of 45 civilians. Indian troops launched 200 cordon and search operations and cordon and destroy operations. The CASOs and CADOs also left 212 residential houses vandalized and destroyed by the hands of Indian occupying forces. Indian troops launched a massive search operation in villages close to the line of control in Poonch. Indian Army along with police personnel launched search operations in Khadi Kamara area of Poonch district. The operation was going on till last reports came in. Chairman Kashmir Council EU Ali Raza Sayed has expressed his condolences on the death of Pakistan's former ambassador Arif Kamal and eulogized his services for the Kashmir cause. In his condolence statement, Ali Raza Sayed valued the diplomatic services of former ambassador late Arif Kamal and paid tribute to him, especially for raising his voice in favor of the Kashmiris. All Parties Hurriyat Conference has announced Kashmiris will observe 5th January as Right to Self-Determination Day by organizing protest demonstrations, rallies, seminars and other programs to invite world attention towards the long-pending Kashmir dispute. Senior APHC leader Ghulam Ahmed Gulzar, while making the announcement in a statement issued in Srinagar, said the unresolved Kashmir dispute is a big question mark on the credibility of the United Nations. All Parties Hurriyat Conference leader Mirwais Umar Farooq has said that keeping him forcibly away from the pulpit of Central Jamia Masjid Srinagar, the most representative symbol of the indigenous Muslim identity and tradition of Kashmir, is extremely sad and tragic. Mirwais Umar Farooq continues to remain under house arrest in Srinagar. Fascist Modi-led Indian regime has demolished the house of a prominent freedom leader, Amir Khan, in Islamabad district. The house was demolished by the Modi regime to harass and create a sense of fear among the locals in Pahalgam area of the district. Earlier, house of a prominent liberation activist Ashiq Ahmed Ali was also demolished in Rajpura area of Pulwama district.